Want to create fixed asset accounts in AutoCount the right way? Let's go through the setup process together. You can watch this video to understand it step by step.
Fixed asset always come in a pair. You see the fixed asset also got two. One is the grandmother and the mother. We always select the mother first to group under the mother. And you see the formats 200, 2000. Actually, you want to put on top, you put 200, 1000. If you want to put at bottom, then you put 200, 5000. This is another reason why we need the chart of account. Also got the sequence of the account numbers easy for us when we generate the report or we key in at the time. The system already help us to filter the sequence, which one on top and which one at the bottom. And don't ask me why this must be 200, 2005. You can put any numbers. Actually, you can put 2, 3, 4, also doesn't matter, but it's very hard for you to numbers. That's why we always advise you put 0 as the asset account and the 5 is the accumulated depreciation account. If let's say you want to put at middle, you can put 200, 2000 and 100. Just put the number at middle. You still can put accumulated as 200, 1000 and 5. That's all. This is the concept how you add this, and for tutorial we want to group under this mother account. After you select this mother account, after you press the fixed asset, here we have to key in the 200, 5000 and the account description is ITC and computer. Over here I show you the shortcut way. For shortcut you just press enter, the system will generate accumulated depreciation account for you automatically. You just press the enter button, but the system won't key in the accumulated depreciation account number. You key in yourself manually 5005. If you want more organized, you just here put the dash button in between accumulated depreciation. And after done,
do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.